Okie dokie, money for jam. When you see a question like this in an exam, you are just licking your lips with delight because this is basically a piece of cake. So we want to know the change in momentum of the cricket ball. State an appropriate answer. Well, basically, delta P, the change in momentum, is going to be equal to P final minus the P initial, basically. That's easy peasy. Let's see what that comes out to. So delta P is going to be the final. So it started off going, let's say that's the positive direction, at 32.5 times by the mass. And afterwards it's going in the same velocity but in the opposite direction. So that's going to be minus 32.5. So we want final velocity, final momentum minus 32.5 times by the mass. I'm going to factorise and take the mass outside, okay, because I want to do that. Minus the initial, which is 32.5. Both of these, of course, are times by the mass. It just makes it easier if you factorise and take it outside. 0.56 kilograms. So that is 32.5 minus 32.5 minus another 32.5. That's going to give us 65 times by that little puppy there. So 65 times by 0.156. Ka-ching. And of course it's negative. I should have put minus 65. I'll just do it there. So minus 10.1. How many sig figs should we have it? 10.1. There we go. 10.14 it says on the calculator. I'm going to put 10.1. Unit kilograms meters s to the minus 1. Piece of cake. Alright, the bat's in contact with the ball for 3.80 ms. What's an ms? It must be milliseconds. Calculate the force exerted on the bat by the ball. Well, we know that Ft equals delta mv, therefore F equals delta mv divided by t. We just calculated what the force is. We could still leave the minus sign in if we wanted to. I'm not going to bother. All it means is that the force is in the opposite direction to what we've identified as the positive direction. But that's cool. 10.14. Oh, I'll leave. Yeah, I'll put in the full unrounded number. 10.14 divided by 3.8, and it's ms times 10 to the minus 3 milliseconds. So that's the value of my calculator, divided by 3.8 times 10 to the minus 3. There we go. 2668. 2, and we should put that to the right number of figs, sig figs, I suppose, which is in this case 3. They're giving us there. Let's do it to 3. 2670 newtons. Money for jam. Right. Next one I'm going to do. I'm going to do another paper.